Hi friends, welcome to the Hadoop Mentor channel. My name is Veera Ravi. Today we're going to see how to install Java as part of this video, and after that we'll be seeing how to install Hadoop. First, what we need to do, as soon as by seeing last video you might have installed Ubuntu. After that, the first step what we need to do here, we need to update the source list. What is the source list? The source list contains, it maps the some package with a specific URL. The package name it will specific with the specific URL. It will be there in your Ubuntu by default. Okay, so when you say sudo apt-get update, it will fetch the records from the online and it will update your source list with the new packages for this Ubuntu version. And it will ask the password because we are using a sudo as a command. Sudo is we are giving as a we are executing this command as a admin or root. So enter your password and press enter. It will start fetching. If you see here, hit it 1 2 3 4, and it started fetching the latest releases, right? So it has been updated in my case. After this, so we need to install Java. To install Java, we will be using the command sudo hyphen apt hyphen get install open jdk hyphen 8 hyphen jdk. So as I said before, when you do sudo apt-get update, it, as I said, is update the packages, right? What is the package? This OpenJDK-8, this is the package name. Not only this, like this, there will be so many packages in your source list. So when you say sudo space apt-get update, these type of packages will be get update automatically. All these packages will get update automatically. So when these packages get updated, when this package is updated, you can easily install your Java or any other software in this. So I'm going to install it, but my machine is already installed, so it will say, it will complain in my case saying that it's already installed, right? Let me press enter. So it's complaining me that it's already installed. So in your case, what will happen, so when you click on enter, it will start installing that, and it will ask you to, do you want me to install, and it will ask you to yes or no option. You have to give yes as an option. After that, once the install is completed, you can say java hyphen version to check whether Java installed or not. To check whether Java installed or not. When you press enter, it will list out the what Java is installed in it. Fine. So the Java is installed in my machine. Now the Java is installed, but how my terminal knows that the Java installed some specific location? So we need to set the environment variables. Like how we will set environment variables in Windows, the same way here we have something called bashrc file where we will specify the where my Java is installed, and we will set the class path for it. Okay, so to get into the class path, to set your class path, we have something called bashrc file. Where that bashrc file will be there? It will there in your home directory. Look at here, you are in your home. Your home means this is your username and this is a home. So let's say you have a two three login users. So for their home, so whenever you say your home is home slash your name, your username, in my case username is Park. So that's why my home directory is this. So when I specify ll here, it will list out me all the available files and directories. Along with that, you might have seen some dot specified files. So these dot specified files are nothing but hidden files. Okay, and if you can see here, if you see D, it means a directory, hidden directory. The blue color, so here it is there, it is a directory, right? It is a directory. If you see D, it is a directory. So now we are going to open this file. So we are going to open this file and we are going to update our class path over there. So before that, we should know where our Java is installed. There is a command for that, update hyphen Java hyphen alternatives. -l. What this command will do? So it will command, it checks and let you know. -l will list out the how many Java versions are installed in your machines. Let's assume that if you have a Java 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that, it will list out all the Java. Okay, so whichever the Java class path you want to set, you can set. So in my case, I'm selecting this and I'm copying it. I'm keeping in a text pad for the reference. Now I need to open the bash rc, right? So please remember guys, the bash rc file will be there in home directory. So wherever you are in, if you open bash rc file here, you cannot open the bash rc file. So you have to come to your home directory only. To come to home directory, cd plus enter. Cd means change directory. Suppose if I give cd slash user local, it means I want to go to the specific directory. I want to change to specific directory. If I press enter, my cursor is moved to the specific directory. Now I'm in present working directories, this slash user slash local. Now if I say cd and press, if I didn't give anything, it assumes that you want to go to home directory. So now I am in home directory. Now, so how we will open the bash rc file? We have some editors along with your Ubuntu or Linux flavor. So VI is the one of the editor, VM is the one of them, and Nano is the one of the editor. So but here, so VI and VM and Nano are a command line editors. So you need to know some specific keys to enter the thing. So there is a one more editor called gedit. There is some editor called gedit. So gedit is your graphical edit. So here I'm going to open bash rc file. Press enter. Now my bash rc file is opened here. So in this bash rc file, I need to set the class path. I need to set the your Java path. So where your Java is installed, look at guys, this is the location. Copy that location. You just need to do one thing. So export Java underscore home equals, and you paste it. That's it. Next, export and path. We need to add to path. Guys, here you should be very careful. If you give wrong path, if you didn't properly give the path, if you just give like this, your Ubuntu terminal will not work. Most of the commands will not work till we change it this. Okay, so you will be already having a default path. You need to add to that path. So for that, path equal to dollar path. It means an existing path. For an existing path, you are appending your Java path. You should be very careful while doing this, guys. Okay, so you should be very careful while doing this. I'm removing the old one, so now I have set it. So then file save the file, control S, or you can save it here. Okay, so what we have done, we have installed Java, we have taken the where we have installed Java, and we have set open the bash rc file, and we have set a Java home and path. I'm repeating one more time here. While you are setting the path environment variable or path variable, you should be very careful. You should not you should not you should not give such a way that export, you should not give this. Okay, export path equal to, if you say just like this, so we will be in trouble. So none of the command like ls command, cd command, none of the commands will not work. Why? Because in your default path will be referring to your slash bin directory, slash usr bin directory. By default path will be referring that your slash bin directory. So you should not give that. I'll show you that what will be referring by default. Close this document and go to back here. So you have set the class path. So you have multiple options. So either you have to source that. Source means when you source it, it will start loading the what are the environment variables you have set into this terminal. So source bash rc, this is one command. Or you can do dot space dot bash rc dot represent current directory. So anyway your bash rc is there in current directory, so you can easily do it. Alternative option is you can close the terminal and reopen. So all your bash rc settings will be available in your terminal now. So you can say java hyphen version, so your java is installed. So I was talking about path, right? Very careful, I was talking about the path. Let's see echo dollar path. So when I say I'm trying to print what is there in the path, so if I print my path See here, so some Spark bin is there. Some Spark is nothing but it's a Spark software. It is my user. In my user bin directory representing. In user, my local directory is representing. So your user local S bin is representing. USR local bin is representing. This USR local bin has all your so ls command, cd command, what are the commands will be, that binary files will be there here. So you should be very careful while you are setting your path. So you should be carefully give the dollar path colon represent the colon represent in your bashazi file, the colon represent your appending, colon represent appending. So you should be very careful while doing this. So now your Java installation is completed. So your Java installation is completed successfully. You can go ahead and execute any of the Java programs, or you can go ahead and continue with your Java activities. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching.